Good morning, guys. This is day 5 of me trying out the IsoWhey program. Ooh, that is very bright. It's a Saturday basically, and today actually I have my friend's wedding tonight. It's already about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock already. This is my normal waking up time. I actually have to leave house by 5:30, and I think I really don't have time to go exercise and then get ready and stuff like that because I do have other things that I need to do. I think what I'm gonna do is that today will be like a cheat day for me where I don't exercise, and also I don't think I'll have my protein shake today, and I'll just, I guess, just have one meal, which is tonight. Tomorrow we'll go back to the regular routine, okay? Basically, it's a Sunday. Yesterday I had an amazing cheat day. I'm glad I actually took the cheat day because the food at the Chinese wedding was amazing, even though I kind of sat with the halal table. Ooh, but the food, man, Michelle, you're doing it so well. Having my protein shake right now. I mixed it with my cold coffee. Not really iced coffee, it's more of like the coffee that's just been out for quite a while. I thought I'll just mix it with my coffee because I didn't feel like I want to waste the coffee. Just try it out. I don't know how this is gonna taste like, and I don't think they recommend you to mix it with a 3-in-1 coffee, but I don't care. I'm just gonna try it out. I just want to see how it tastes like. I'm just very curious, and I actually really don't need the shake. I don't really feel like I need the shake. I think at this point I kind of feel like, oh my gosh, I just don't feel like taking a shake anymore. The food that I ate this afternoon, oh my gosh, it was so good. I went to a hawker stall. I didn't eat a lot, as always. I always just take a little bit from what Dexter have ordered. Without further ado, let's try this protein shake with coffee, okay? Not recommend. I mean, this is not recommended because it's the coffee, 3-in-1 coffee has sugar in them, but it actually tastes really good. I think the subtleness of that vanilla flavor from the protein shake itself, it's not overpowering, but just enough to kind of add a hint of something into my coffee. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, this protein shake tastes horrible on its own with just water, but when you add into things, it actually tastes really good. At least there's an option there. There's like I guess flexibility there that you can actually mix with some of your favorite drinks, I guess. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's funny how shaking mix itself is like a workout on its own. Right now I'm just making some edamame, and I think for the last 2 days, since it's already the last 2 days, I would go all out basically. I would just eat either edamame, which left half a baguette. I don't think it can last, but I still have a little bit more of that chickpea. So I'll have only my protein shake, chickpea, edamame, and maybe some nuts, I don't know. Today for the shake, I decided to try it with home soil. Basically, it's like a soy milk. Oh, it's not that great. I think it's the soy milk. The soy milk is pretty much tasteless. I better just put the protein shake into water.
Hello everybody, this is JQ's dinner.
Don't lie! It's your dinner. I'm not eating. I'm so sad.
JQ's gonna eat McDonald's for dinner.
I'm not. I'm gonna go gym now.
Why you don't eat McDonald's for dinner?
I want to, but I cannot.
Why?
Another 2 more days time. 2 more days time.
2 more days then there will be buffet.
Don't want lah. So tiring! Okay, I exercised for 30 minutes, and this time around I actually tailored it a little bit suitable to my pace. I feel like running as fast as I can for 500 meters is not something that I can do. I feel like I get super extremely tired after after a while, like I can't run really as fast as I want to, or I feel like it would help me. So what I did was that I ran as fast as I can on the treadmill. I think the first round maybe got at least about 300 meters, and then like really fast. And then after that, once I feel like I cannot, I kind of slow down and I just walk basically, or maybe like around 100 meters. And then after that, I get back into like a super extremely fast running. And that one I think goes for about another 200 meters, or if I really cannot, I go for like 100 meter at least minimum, just so that I can get my heart rate up, sweat like crazy. I'm not even kidding. So this one, I think I did about like the fast slow, or fast walk, run walk kind of method for at least about 5-6 times. And that really helped me so much. I feel like I kind of worked out more than actually following the routine as what suggested from the IsoWhey booklet. A lot of times they can suggest to you a lot of things, but at the end of the day, you still need to find the pace that is suitable for your body. Tonight, I'm actually having it with milk. So much better. It's the one with extra protein, low fat, high calcium kind of milk. Just way better than the home soy milk, okay? I think it's just a home soy milk that is not nice, alright? Okay, anyway, that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm so glad I'm done for today. Woo. Good morning, everyone. And when I say morning, it's like 5 p.m. right now. Just woke up. Yeah, this is my normal schedule. Okay, I work during the night, and then after that I kind of sleep during the day. I'm probably not supposed to be in this country, but anyway. So I'm having my shake right now. This is just with milk. Very little corn left. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm gonna eat for breakfast, lunch, or whatever this is. Exercise. It was slightly easier than the first day that I've done this exercise. I felt like I'm a little bit stronger, a little bit. So glad that this is over. Right now, I'm just gonna make my shake. So instead of using the soy milk, which I am not looking forward to, 250 ml. Milo here, 1 scoop, maybe not enough, 2 scoops. Cocoa powder, 2 scoops of cocoa powder, 1 spoon. Then we're gonna shake it. Better than just soy milk on its own. There's still lumps of like the cocoa powder that I add in, but it's not a bad taste. It's a nice combination. I don't mind that. So happy that I am done. I'm gonna go back to eat normal food. So after the 7 days, again, as I mentioned, I don't know if I lost weight or not. It does seem like I did. I didn't weigh myself. I didn't really measure myself, but this was a before and after. You guys be the judge whether I lost weight or not. But I definitely feel toner, leaner, and I think like today I wore a certain pants that previously it felt very tight. Now it feels a little bit loose, which is not a bad thing. I felt good wearing that pants. I felt like, yeah, you know, at least I'm a little bit fitter right now. Exercising wasn't easy the first round of anything that is expected, and I really felt super unfit, but it got better after a while. It got better as I do it along the days. All the suggestions here are not bad, are actually pretty good. Exercise one, at least they have the suggestion here so that you can kickstart your exercise. Whether or not you're doing it right or not, or whether or not it suits your pace or not, you just start doing it first, because this is pretty much booklet for dummies lah, okay? So it's good to have something that you can refer to for first time, and then after that you kind of adjust according to how you feel your body
felt after exercise, after doing the exercise basically. Overall for me, drinking this for an entire week was definitely an experience. I think there are some days I just decided not to take it because I wasn't hungry at all. Although it is not as tasty as what other people expected, or not as tasty as what it claims to be, it has its benefit of being less tasty as compared to other protein shakes. Safely say that I do see the difference after doing the program. Of course, I mean, come on, I'm like meal replacing. Definitely doing this program helps me to be a little bit more aware of what I eat. Just as long as you're happy, don't starve yourself. It's just that for me, I think the last 2 days, usually it's like that for my diet, most of my diet. A lot of times during the last day itself, I'll just end up, you know what, I'm so sick of everything, I don't want to eat anything, I'm just gonna not eat. To be honest, drinking this 200 ml of milk with this itself is actually pretty fulfilling. It is possible to do meal replacement with this, and yeah, it's actually not bad and it works. That's pretty much it for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. It's definitely very long, but it was definitely worth doing it because I definitely see the difference, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!